Why do millions of people work harder every year, yet somehow stay in the same place financially? They wake up early, work long hours, pay their bills, and repeat the cycle, month after month, year after year, decade after decade. Yet despite all that effort, many never experience true financial freedom. Is it because they aren't smart enough, not disciplined enough, not lucky enough? Or is there something deeper happening beneath the surface, something nobody ever explained? From childhood, most people are taught a simple formula. Study hard, get good grades, get a good job, work hard, retire. But here's the problem. This formula teaches people how to earn money, not how to build wealth. And those are two completely different things. A doctor can earn hundreds of thousands per year and still struggle financially. Meanwhile, someone earning far less may quietly become wealthy, because wealth isn't measured by income. It's measured by ownership. Imagine putting $100 into a box. 10 years later, the same $100 is still there. But here's the shocking part, it buys less. Inflation is one of the most powerful forces in the financial world, yet most people barely understand it. It quietly steals purchasing power, without making a sound, without sending a warning, without asking permission. One of the cruelest realities about money is that being poor is often expensive. Wealthy person buys quality once. A struggling person buys cheap repeatedly. The result, they often spend more over time. The same happens with loans, transportation, housing, healthcare. The less money you have, the more mistakes cost. Today, companies don't just compete for your money, they compete for your attention, because attention controls decisions, and decisions control financial outcomes. Every notification, every advertisement, every algorithm is fighting for one thing. Your focus. A raise should create freedom, but often it doesn't, because as income rises, expenses rise too. Bigger homes, better cars, more subscriptions, more status. The result, more income, same financial stress. Here's what wealthy people understand. Assets generate income, liabilities consume it. The average person buys liabilities first. The wealthy buy assets first. That's the difference. One creates cash flow, the other drains it. Money is rarely a math problem. It's usually a behavior problem. Discipline, patience, delayed gratification. These traits create wealth far more often than intelligence alone. Average people sell time. Wealthy people buy systems. One asks, how can I make more money? The other asks, how can money work without me? That question changes everything. No one is coming to rescue your financial future. Not your employer, not society, not luck. And while that sounds harsh, it's also liberating, because it means the future is still yours to shape. Financial freedom rarely arrives through one big moment. It grows from small decisions, repeated daily, learning, investing, saving, building skills, owning assets, thinking long-term. These tiny actions compound, just like interest. Most people stay financially stuck because they never learn the rules of the game, not because they are lazy, not because they're incapable, but because nobody showed them how money actually works. Now you know. The question is, what will you do with that knowledge? Because understanding money changes everything. And financial freedom begins the moment you start thinking differently. Subscribe to They Never Told You for more hidden truths.